Welcome back. 5 steps to make you look 5 to 10 years younger. The secrets of health and youth in these 5 steps. Number 1. Healthy sleep. During sleep, the rate of division and renewal of skin cells is doubled due to the effect of growth hormone, which helps repair damage to the skin, but if a person is awake, the ability of cells to divide and regenerate decreases. Number 2. Exercise. People who exercise regularly work to strengthen their bodies and improve skin circulation. When the heart pumps blood strongly, the smallest capillaries and tiny blood vessels in the skin are provided with more blood, giving the skin a brighter and more vibrant color, while strengthening the body's immune system. Number 3. Prevent sugar. It has been shown that consuming large amounts of sugar negatively affects the levels of elastin and collagen in the skin, which work to maintain skin elasticity. When collagen fibers weaken, the skin will look older. Therefore, reducing sugar intake reduces the signs of aging in the long term. Number 4. Drinking too much water. Drinking water helps improve blood circulation and thus contributes to the delivery of nutrients throughout the body. In addition, it helps to get rid of toxins in the body and skin, giving its cells more hydration, so we will shine with healthier and fresher skin. Therefore, we recommend that you always moisturize your skin, especially on hot summer days. Number 5. Eat healthy food. Diets that contain a high percentage of healthy vegetable fats help maintain a younger appearance because they contain antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, water and healthy anti-inflammatory fats.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to like channel to receive all new news.